Have you ever paused in your busy life to ask yourself, what is my true purpose? What am I truly passionate about? In the ceaseless whirlwind of life, it's easy to get swept away by the mundane, forgetting to question if we are truly living or merely existing. Finding your purpose, that driving force that fuels your passion, is no small task. It's like discovering a compass within yourself, guiding you toward a life that is not only successful but also meaningful. A renowned philosopher once said, "He who has a why to live can bear almost any how." Your purpose is your why, your passion is the how. When these two align, they create a symphony of fulfillment that resonates throughout your life. Every great journey begins with a question. This one starts with, what is my purpose? And what am I passionate about? Finding your purpose and passion might seem daunting, but it is a journey worth embarking on. The journey to finding your purpose begins with introspection. Just as a seed needs fertile soil to grow into a mighty tree, our purpose needs the nurturing ground of self-understanding to flourish. Introspection is the act of turning our gaze inward, peeling back the layers of external influences and societal expectations to uncover our authentic selves. It's akin to embarking on a voyage into uncharted territories, where the compass is our curiosity and the map, our willingness to explore the depths of our being. But what does this exploration entail? Picture it as a gentle conversation with yourself, a dialogue that helps to identify your interests, talents, and passions. It's about asking yourself probing questions. What are the activities that energize me? What are the talents I possess that I wish to nurture? What are the causes that stir my heart? By engaging in such a dialogue, we begin to understand our values, the principles we hold dear. We start to discern what we find meaningful, what resonates with our core. This process of introspection, akin to mining for gold, often reveals nuggets of wisdom about ourselves that we may have overlooked or undervalued. Yet, introspection is not a one-time event. It's a continuous process, a dialogue that needs to be revisited, refined, and deepened as we evolve and grow. Introspection, though often overlooked, is the first step towards finding your purpose and passion. It's the starting point of a journey, a voyage of self-discovery that paves the way for a more fulfilling life. Once you've introspected, it's time to experiment. The world is brimming with an abundance of opportunities waiting for you to seize them. Experimentation is not just about trying new things, it's about stepping out of your comfort zones and daring to tread different paths. It's about embracing the unfamiliar and the unexpected and finding joy in the process. Imagine a painter who has only used 3 colors his whole life. Now, imagine the world of possibilities that opens up when he experiments with a palette full of new shades and hues. That's what experimentation can do. It expands your horizons, broadens your perspective, and reveals to you a world you never knew existed. Life, in essence, is a grand experiment. It's a journey of exploration and discovery, where you are the scientist, the artist, and the explorer all at once. You are the one who gets to decide what you want to explore, what you want to learn, what you want to create. And as you embark on this journey of experimentation, you might stumble upon new passions and interests. You might discover a love for music, or a fascination for astronomy, or a passion for cooking. You might even find that your true passion lies in something you had never considered before. Remember, it's through this process of experimentation that we often find our true calling. It's through this journey of exploration that we uncover who we truly are and what we truly love. Through experimentation, you can uncover passions you never knew you had. Finding your passion is half the journey. Aligning it with your purpose is the other half. Now let's delve into this alignment, this magical fusion of passion and purpose. Imagine the satisfaction, the joy that comes from doing something you love, something that sets your heart on fire and at the same time contributes to something greater than yourself. That's the power of alignment. So, how do we align our passion with purpose? It's about digging deeper, going beyond the surface level. It's about asking ourselves, why does this passion matter to me? And how can I use it to make a positive impact? Picture an artist passionate about painting. That's wonderful. But now let's add purpose. Maybe the artist decides to use their art to raise awareness about environmental issues. Suddenly, their passion for painting is not just about creating beautiful art. It's about influencing change, about making a difference. This is the beauty of alignment. It transforms passion from just a personal joy to a tool for a positive change. It's a journey of self-discovery, of finding a deeper meaning in what we love to do. It's about using our passion to contribute, to give back, to make our mark. And remember, this alignment doesn't happen overnight. It's a process of exploration, of introspection, of trial and error. It's about patience, persistence, and faith in the journey. When passion and purpose align, that's when you find true fulfillment. Remember, finding your purpose and passion is not a one-time event, but a continuous journey. Life is a canvas filled with opportunities for growth and self-discovery. Each day brings a chance to learn something new, to experience something different, and to explore the vast expanse of your passions. You may have found a purpose that fuels you today, but who's to say what tomorrow holds? The beauty of this journey is that it never ends. As we evolve, our passions may shift, our purpose may transform, and that's perfectly okay. It's the essence of being human, of living a dynamic and vibrant life. Imagine, if you will, a river. It never stops flowing, does it? It twists and turns, encounters obstacles, and yet it finds a way to move forward. That's how your journey towards finding and aligning your passion and purpose should be. Persistent, resilient, unending. And while the river's journey is solitary, yours doesn't have to be. Engage with others, share your experiences, learn from theirs. Remember, we're all in this together, navigating the currents of life, seeking our individual purposes and passions. So, embrace the journey, embrace the changes, stay open to new experiences, be receptive to new opportunities. Let life surprise you. Let your purpose evolve, let your passion grow. Keep exploring, keep discovering, and most importantly, keep living passionately.